Hey everybody, it's Kevin from Sticks and Stones again. I haven't put out a video in a while, so I'm going to give you one today. Just a little quick one. I wanted to show you, I'm hoping you can see me, it looks like my head's cut off from here. But a lot of people are asking me what I use to hold my carvings, alright? And, you know, I always show you the squeeze clamp with the board and all that stuff. But I found a nice new, neat little product here, and this is by far not a promotional video for this product. It's just, I found it, I use it, I think it's a great product, and I'm going to just recommend it to you guys if you want to get one. This right here is a jaw horse from Rockwell, and the amazing part of this thing is it's a sawhorse, alright, but it's got the jaws that actually clamp your item down. Like if I took this owl here, right, take the owl and I put it in like that, right, all you got to do is push that button down and then step on the lever. This thing will hold this carving, and it ain't budging, okay? So I like to use it for chainsaw carving, for holding walking sticks, anything I'm going to carve, right? I had a lot of things. I mean, you can hold almost anything in this thing. So it's really awesome, and what I'm going to do is probably do all my chainsaw work with this. I've been looking for something like this for years. I never even knew they had one. So I thought it was pretty neat. It's a good product. Again, it's made by Rockwell. It's called the Jaw Horse, and this thing squeezes down with such pressure, it's unbelievable. Once a carving's in there, it's not moving. Trust me, you can hold logs, you know, good size. So let me show you a couple things. I'm in the garage. It's finally cleaned up a little bit, but I probably chopped my head off for that whole segment, but that's okay. Because you guys don't really need to see me anyway. Look at this mermaid my partner's working on. How awesome is that? Okay, so we got a couple things going on here, and basically this video, here's a fish over in the corner that's half carved out. Dan's doing some nice fish right now too, and there's that little owl right there that I just put in the thing. Just a little basic chainsaw stuff for now, but again, we got the shop going. We got a lot of stuff outside, which is kind of neat. You know, and we're getting ready to hopefully get a lot of business and let the shop do well. I did want to tell you about that jaw horse, and another thing I wanted to do was let you guys know that everything that I'm doing is on DVD, okay? But I'm not really good at putting the, you know, the labels on half the time. I don't have any print ink and stuff like that. So if you guys want to get a video, like for instance, I have how to chainsaw carve a face. I have the pine knot video. There's all condensed in a video that you pop the DVD in, you know, and you want to watch it at home instead of having to go through all the clips and everything on YouTube. Just let me know, shoot me an email or something, write me in a comment. I'll be able to just send you a DVD. It might not be labeled, but you'll have some good carving instruction on there. And we have, I think there's 5 or 6 of them that are out already. All right? But I'm not real good at labeling them and putting them in nice packaging. You know, it'll probably just be blank with marker written on it or something stupid until I can. I don't have time for that stuff. I want a wood carve. Right? But it'll play in your TV, I guarantee it. If it doesn't, I'll send you another one. Right? So let me know if you want anything like that. I'm coming right back with a different video, and I'm going to make 2 today. And this one's going to be about how to paint eyes. A lot of people like the bears and the eyes that I made on them. So let me show you. Let me see if I can get them. I got some out here in the office. But a lot of these guys, you know, they just want to see how to do these little eyes. And they're real quick, and they're cute. You know, there's a lot of little things out here. See all the bears here? But when I do eyes, they're simple, but they do dress up the carvings real nice. And so what I'm going to do is I made a nice little bear. It's like a stand-up bear for outside of the shop here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so you can, you know, he's kind of pointing like this. So we're gonna make it so it says, you know, management or something like that on it. And I'm gonna paint these eyes. I'm gonna show you guys up close how I do it, and then we're gonna stick them outside. And when people come into the shop, you know, the bear will be pointing, you know, to the office. So stay tuned. We'll have another video on painting eyes, and we'll have some carving videos coming up for you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in a bit.